Welcome to GigaBits. In the booming world of dropshipping, having the right tool for customer support can make or break your business. One name that keeps coming up is Gorgias, a help desk platform built specifically for e-commerce. But is it really the best dropshipping tool for 2026? Some say it automates everything, resolves customer issues in seconds, and scales support without adding a ton of staff. Others report high costs or limited flexibility. Today we dig in to find out whether Gorgias is a game changer for dropshippers or just another expensive add-on. To evaluate Gorgias properly, I used it for 6 weeks within a mock dropshipping store selling various low-cost products. I set up customer tickets, live chat and email support, handling common dropshipping issues like shipping delays, order tracking problems, returns and refunds. I tracked response times, automation workflows, customer satisfaction, and support costs. I also surveyed feedback from actual dropshipping entrepreneurs on community forums and compared Gorgias to other popular help desk tools. Combining first-hand testing with real-world insights, here's how Gorgias performs in a dropshipping business. Gorgias claims to offer dropshippers unified support across email, live chat, SMS, and social media, automation and macros to resolve repetitive questions, smart routing of tickets based on order data, real-time integration with your store so agents know order status instantly, customer satisfaction tools and reporting to evaluate efficiency, scalability without hiring a huge support team. These sound powerful, but do they deliver in a dropshipping context where you often don't control shipping or inventory? Step 1. Multi-channel support. Gorgias unified emails, chat, and social media into one dashboard. When testing, I received customer messages via live chat and email, and I was able to respond from one place. This streamlines support, especially when dealing with high volumes of simple order status inquiries, common in dropshipping. Step 2. Automation and macros. I built automation rules and predefined responses, macros for questions like, where is my order? How do I return? And why is shipping slow? These responded to about 60–70% of recurring tickets automatically or semi-automatically, speeding up responses dramatically. That said, some very specific product questions needed manual handling, and macros can't solve everything. Step 3. Order context integration. Because Gorgias integrates with your e-commerce store, like Shopify, agents saw real order data while answering tickets, shipping provider, order status, item SKU, and more. This visibility is crucial for dropshipping. You can tell customers exactly where their items are rather than guessing, which improves trust. Step 4. Performance and scalability. Support volume in a dropshipping business can vary wildly, heavy around launches or a semaphore, promotions light other times. With Gorgias, I was able to scale without adding more agents by relying on automations. In peak testing weeks, average response time stayed under minutes for simple tickets. However, more advanced or nuanced issues still required a human touch. Step 5. Reporting and insights. Gorgias gives detailed statistics, volume per channel, average response time, customer happiness, and more. From the data, I saw that live chat generated most of the tickets and automation handled a large portion, but customer satisfaction for auto responses was slightly lower compared to personalized replies, indicating that not all customers like robotic messages. Step 6. Cost versus value. The pricing for Gorgias is higher than basic help desk tools, especially once you add automation and high ticket volume. For small dropshipping stores that don't get many support requests, the cost may outweigh the benefit. However, for scaling businesses with hundreds or thousands of monthly orders, the ROI begins to make sense: faster resolution, fewer complaints, and better customer retention. Step 7. Limitations and drawbacks. Because dropshipping often involves long shipping times and unpredictable supplier behavior, not all support tickets can be resolved automatically. Some complex queries, "My package is lost," "Item damaged in transit," still required manual research and communication with suppliers. In these cases, having a separate backend or integration with your supply chain helps significantly, but Gorgias alone can't magically fix supplier issues. So, is Gorgias the best dropshipping tool in 2026? Yes, if you Run a growing dropshipping store with decent volume? Want to offer multi-channel support without hiring a large customer service team? Value automation and quick responses? Need order context visibility to improve support quality? No, Faf. If you are just starting out with low monthly orders, don't want to pay for premium support tools, have very simple or few support demands, expect Gorgias to handle every single customer issue without manual work. In short, Gorgias is not a miracle fix, but it's a powerful and highly effective support solution for serious dropshippers looking to scale customer support efficiently and professionally. If this review helped you decide whether Gorgias is the right dropshipping tool for your business, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down the best apps, platforms, and tools for entrepreneurs every week, so you stay smart, efficient, and ahead of the game.